Welcome back to Garage Vibes. Today guys, we're here with the Axial SCX10 II 2017 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited CRC. Now what we're going to do for you guys today, we're going to unbox this Axial SCX10 II and we're going to take it on the trail and give you the best performance we can give you out of the box. So let's get ready and dip in this box and get this out and show you what comes in here so we can take it on the trail and give it a run. Alright guys, so as we pull it out of the box, it's beautiful as you can see. We got the guidebook, we got some pieces of accessories right here, and we got your radio. It's nice and slick, very light, and this radio is a 3-channel radio. Your battery compartment, you take 4 batteries, AA batteries, and soon we're going to pop batteries in here for you. And we got a few little functions here, we got trim, we got a few things going on here. We're going to have to get used to those. Got a few little buttons here. It's very slick, very light, handy. I like it. Alright, so now we told you about the radio. Let's get down to the truck. Okay, so let's show you how this look. We got a few zip ties that we got to remove. There we go guys, that was beautiful. I gotta say right off the box guys, the truck feels really nice. The tires are very soft and gushy, so it's ready to climb the rocks. It's really cool. I like the hubcaps right here. You can just turn this off and you will see the nut under to remove the wheel, so they're protected by this cap. Alright, so let me go inside of the body. So we have some cool decals on the bonnet. We have Rubicon written right here, and we got some decals with the latch. We actually have all these latches in the accessories what comes in the box that you could easily put this on here. Even on the door handles, comes with the door handles, so you can put this on. And we got Axial written here, so we got some good graphic on it. It's cool. We have 2 mirrors both sides. We got headlamps and they're walkable, and we got indicator lights, brake light, and they're functionable. Nice bumper at the back again. This is very flexible guys. I have to tell you guys, this truck is very light, very light. Alright, let's go down inside of it and see what's inside of this truck. Let's pop those clips up. There we go guys, the light is already plugged in. We can unplug those lights and show you the details. Alright, so let's show you the body. Very flexible. When I tell you it's flexible guys, it's very flexible, very light. And you have your headlamps and your indicator lights already plugged in for you, wires already run, and your brake light is here. Okay, so now let's take a look inside of a truck. Let's talk about what's going on in here. Inside of a truck right here, let me just show you, turn this around and show you. This is a 35-ton motor in here, and that's a brush motor, so 35-ton brush motor. And even your gearbox is plastic. This is plastic here guys, so you got lots of plastic on this axle, and this is where your battery will be sitting on. You'll be using Velcro to hold it together to make your adjustments. So right here guys, the ESC is AE5L ESC with drag brakes. Pretty small here. Everything is sitting real nice and compact on this chassis. And the chassis is metal. And what else I can tell you? The radio box is protected nice with plastic case. It is waterproof. Receiver is a 2.4 gigahertz receiver. It's a 3-channel receiver. So I just thought I'd let you guys know that. The servo is a Tactic servo metal gear. We got some nice travel on the diff here guys, with the wheel going up and down. Really nice travel. Climb some really good rocks without flipping over that easy. Now underneath here we got metal arms, all metal arms with plastic caps on the end of it, and the dry shaft is plastic. This is Hi-Pinion Axles. The boat differential is plastic, so there's a lot of plastic going on here guys. The servo arm is plastic, so the vehicle is very light, but it looks like it'll give us a really good run on the trail, and we're going to show it to you today right off the box what it can do. We're going to put a battery in here and take this on a run for you. We got a few rocks around here we're going to climb up the rocks and show you what time it is. I want to tell you a little bit about the turning radius. It is really tight, guys. Look at that. Look at that, how tight that is. I can't wait to put the battery in it and see if it gives us all this turning radius. And if we get all this curve and lock of this thing, that is really good. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. So we can turn really tight with this Axial SCX10. Okay, the shocks, we got metal springs coated here with a gray coating. The shocks are made out of plastic on top here. We have plastic housing to hold on the shocks on top here. Even the nut to turn on top here is all plastic. So we got a lot of plastic going on here. No, it's not much to really tell you. It's a simple vehicle. They did very minimum work in here. Very simple, but it's a beautiful design. I like it. This extra space on this side here, you can put a lot of other controls here, you know. So let's pop a battery in it, guys, and take it on the trail. Alright guys, so we're gonna pop some batteries in the back of the controller and get this rolling for you. Take 4 batteries, AA battery. So let's get this on. There we go, and let's turn it on. Alright, so this is your power switch right here. You turn this on, you get a red light. Alright, so now we're gonna put a battery inside of the SCX10. And this is 11.1 volt. It's a 5200 milliamp. Let's pop this in here for you guys. Let's drop it down like this. The controller is ready to go. Let's give it a little test and see. Yep. Ready to do its thing. So let's put the shell on and get it going for you guys. Now we got to put these little lights on here. This one is for the front light and the red one is for the back light. So we're gonna pop this in and get the show on the road for you guys. Yo, we got a really terrible day today with the wind, so we're having a tough time here, but we're doing this. Alright guys, so we're ready to put them down. There you go.